Comby 4000 is a single-phase steam generator ideal for professional use, with a robust stainless steel body. The machine is equipped with a suction function. Such technology, called Dry Master, allows the operator to vacuum and dry up perfectly the surface treated with steam. In addition, the machine's exclusive InfiniVac system offers the possibility to adjust the suction power to obtain an even better cleaning result. The boiler has a capacity of 3.5 liters, which develops 10 bar of power thanks to a pair of heating elements of 3600 Watt in total. Additionally, the boiler is equipped with the exclusive non-stop system technology, which facilitates the continuous supply of water within the same. Thanks to our exclusive Dose Master technology from 1 to 32 levels, the electronic management of the steam detergent mixture allows you to mix the ideal quantity of solution with steam, thus avoiding any waste. In addition, the exclusive hydrojet system enhances cleaning by generating flows of a wet steam and thus facilitate the rinsing of the surfaces being treated. Our exclusive Flow Master technology makes it very easy to manage steam and allows to decrease or increase its flow according to real needs. Thanks to its power and extremely robust structure, Comby 4000 is the ideal machine for the most demanding cleaning jobs. Furthermore, this model can be equipped with the exclusive hydropower technology, which makes it possible to connect the Comby 4000 to the water mains for long-term work. Join STI. Join the steam revolution.